G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we are making the Moscow Mule. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to get is you can either serve in a highball, Moscow Mule mug, like a copper mug. We're using our OMG Old Fashioned today. So the first thing you're going to need, load up your glass with some ice. We're going to pour 60 mils of vodka. The juice of half a lime, about 15 mils. Top up with some ginger beer. Then we're going to garnish with a lime wheel. As simple as that. There you have the Moscow Mule. Enjoy.